what is considered junk food? And Winnie answered, but there's also keto junk food.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I made some keto junk food this weekend.
What did you
when
make?
You were gone. Homemade whipping cream. Homemade whipped cream. I would consider that keto junk food. Right,
because, okay, so this is actually a great topic because we were just talking about this. So you look at your container of heavy whipping cream, and ours says 1 tablespoon is a serving, and there's 0 carbs in it. Okay, so if I go to Chronometer and I log a cup of heavy whipping cream, there's a whole heck of a lot more than 0 carbs in there.
Right.
There's something like 0.6 carbs in 2 tablespoons. Well, if you're eating, and that's why he's calling whipped cream a junk food, because there's actually quite a few carbs in whipped cream, and how much. Well, I noticed a lot of the raspberries disappeared.
So it's 2 cups of whipped cream, or of whole whipping cream, right? 2 cups? 1 cup?
You can make it at whatever ratio.
All you do
is you whip it.
2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 cup of our favorite alternative sugar, which is Boca Sweet.
Holy cow, you made a really sweet one.
Yeah, I guess. I just kind of guessed because I kind of forgot. And then I put some vanilla in, right? And then I whipped it up, and then I had berries and whipped cream.
Did you eat the whipped cream?
No, I didn't eat it. I mean, that would have made me sick. That's too much.
I
mean, it was like a bowl like this size. Like, it was a lot. But I had like a cereal bowl worth. So that was junk food, for sure. That was keto junk food. Which for me on a drill weekend, that's a far cry from what I would have done before. I would have eaten an entire Papa John's pizza by myself.
Really?
5 years ago?
The things I don't know he does when I'm not around.
Yes, 5 years ago I would have eaten and had a bunch of beer too.
Well, good job.